So when you start AutoCAD, you will basically go to this type of screen in which we have get started column. So this is the first starting portion of our drawing, where we have more frequently accessible tools like open files, open a sheet set, get more templates online where we can access varieties of templates online. Also there is a tool called explore sample drawing, in which we will use some of the drawings included in the AutoCAD 2018 version. Similarly, next we have recent documents, where recently used documents line up like this. Similarly, here is our tabs from which we can change the type of view. We can either choose thumb view or list view. I'll pinpoint some of the AutoCAD so that it can be frequently used, which lies at the top of the list. We can pin the AutoCAD just like this, or unpin them as well. Similarly, we have the notification portion, where notification is shown. It shows help portion. Also there is another portion called connect, in which Autodesk 360 signing and feedback portion is available. You can also sign in from here. So now let's start our drawing with this start drawing button. Let's click it. So here we are in the main drawing area, called the modal area also. So this is the main window of the AutoCAD, which is divided into a couple of parts. So here we have the ribbon, and the ribbon panel is divided into different type of tabs. Some of the tabs are home, insert, annotate, parametric, view, manage, output, add-on, and so on. So now these tabs are divided into different panels. And this panel can be expanded from this portion. Also, you can click on this push pin button to make this sticky here. So that even after removing the cursor, this planner will remain expanded. You can collapse this panel anytime by clicking the push pin button again. You can also move this panel by clicking anywhere in the open space and dragging it into the model. You can reposition it to its original position by clicking return panels to ribbon button, and it will go to its initial position. And if you want to show or hide any of the panel, you can simply click right on this blank area and click on show panels and check here. Right now all of the panels are checked, so that means all of them are accessible. Let me uncheck one of the panel. Let me uncheck draw panel and see what happens. So when I uncheck the draw panel simply erases from its position. Now let me bring the draw panel back to its original position. So here it is. Similarly, you can do the same task for turning off any of these panels. Similarly, same process is applied to the tab bottom as well. Let me check the visualize tab and see what happens. So here it is, the visualize tab turns on. Let me uncheck it. So here it is. In order to hide the visualize tab, right click on the empty space again and check the visualize bar. We also have command line here, and all the commands we have typed will appear here. Also, We can expand the command line by clicking at the boundary also. We can expand the command line by dragging through the boundary of the command line like this, so that we can have so it will keep a record of all the commands that you enter. We can expand the command line by dragging from the topmost part of our boundary of this command line, when dragging it like this. So here it is. This shows the record of all the commands that we have entered. Also, we can collapse to its original position like this. We can drag and move the command line anywhere in the screen by simply clicking and dragging in this portion. Let me put it back. You can also hide this command by just clicking on this close, and it will prompt or ask you whether to close or not the and it will ask if you want to close the command line. I will select it no for now. Let me just show it by clicking close, and if I choose yes, then the command line disappears. And if you want to bring it back, simply press Ctrl 9 key to bring it back. So here it is. The command to bring the command line back is Ctrl plus 9. Also, we have the model area here, the layout here, layout 1, layout 2 here. Also, we can hide the layout model space. When we click the layout tab, it opens up the layout. Let's click on layout 2. So it opens up the layout 2 tab. We can let's go to model space back. So we have navigation panel here, and we have the view cube here. So in order to or bring these visual elements, you can go to the view tab, and from there select or deselect any of the option. So let me choose UCS icon. When I click the UCS icon, it closes the coordinate. It closes the UCS icon. Similar case applies for view cube and for navigation bar. Also, if you like to hide file tabs, you can do it from here. The same thing applies for layout tab. For layout tab, just click here and it goes out. To bring it back, just click it once again. Also, you can edit layout tab from here by just right clicking from here. So here it says new layout, from template, delete, rename, move of copy, select all layouts, activate previous layout, dock or drafting. Also, we have this quick access toolbar on which we can place some of the tools which are frequently accessed or used. So by default, new, open, save, save as, print or plot, undo, redo are present in the quick access toolbar. You can add or remove according to your preferences from this drop down button. So here is an option which is layer. The layer option in quick access toolbar is new feature in AutoCAD Autodesk AutoCAD 2018. Similarly, you can choose any of your frequently accessed tool from this drop down menu. You can either select properties or match properties or place plot. We will talk about this in the videos lecture later. Let me turn the unnecessary So let's say you want to add this render or seat set manager, so you can click on this workspace and it appears right here. Let me bring the quick access toolbar to its previous quickly reset up. Let me quickly reset up the quick access toolbar again. Similarly, you can also search for commands from this application menu. You can type any of your command here. For example, let us type line, L-I-N-E. So here it shows the best matches: ribbon home, construction line, linear line, single line, jog line, linear line. You can use the command according to your preferences. Any of the commands available here can be accessed from the user interface from here. For example, the line command can be accessed from here as well. If you want to know more about the command, then you can use that field, this field. Also, if you want some help, you can use this bar where it says keyword or phrase, but you need to be online to get some help. Or you can download offline help from this bar, download offline help, and install it. So this is all about the user interface of AutoCAD 2018. We will talk about navigation tools in the next video. Thanks for watching.